Hey guys, I'm Austin Luckett, new to the Cross Jeep YouTube page. I just wanted to introduce the Jeep of the week. It's a 2020 Gladiator Overland with the JT Level 1 package that Cross puts on here. This one in particular has got AEV Savegre wheels. Great look. That's the new wheel too. And on outside of the rim is a 35-inch BFG all-terrain tire. Very popular tire that everyone seems to like. This one is an Overland, so it's got some features inside that are nice. It does have cloth seats, but with those cloth seats, it's got heated seats, heated steering wheel. Comes standard with Bluetooth and backup camera. And this one's got the slush mats as well. This is one of my favorite colors, steam gray. Awesome color, really stands out, especially when you put the black wheels on it. As you can see, it's lifted too. It's got a 2-inch Mopar suspension lift. Really capable. We go around to the back here. As you can see, you've got the Overland badge in here. This one in particular also has a factory tow package. And if I open up the tailgate, it's got a bed liner in it. This one's actually already sold, and we've got plenty more. So come on down to Cross Jeep. If you got any questions, give us a call at 502-459-9900. Thanks.